Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk you through Done For You Profit Funnel. So this is another funnel product from Glinkowski, and to be quite honest, I don't think it's any different from most of the others. The idea here is it's a 3-in-1 app. It allows you to create products, it allows you to create ebook covers, and then it allows you to create the funnel that they all go into. So I'm going to take you into the application itself. I'll show you around. This is very, very similar to a lot of the other applications they've released. And then I'll discuss with you whether I think this is something that you're going to be able to make money with. Now guys, as usual, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many, many years online buying products just like this one. And the idea of my reviews is that you can go away and have a little bit more information before you go ahead and decide to purchase any kind of software online. So as I said, this is by Glinkowski. It's due to be released on Thursday the 27th of August at 10 AM Eastern, and it's off the Warrior Plus network. And in this review I'll take you through the product, I'll go through the members area, we'll go through the sales page, we'll talk about the upgrades, I'll tell you what's good about the product and what's not so good about the product, and then I'll kind of give you my summary, so then hopefully you can go away a little bit more informed. So guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're interested in learning how to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So just jump back over the sales page again. So just looking at the headlines here, it's a brand new product and funnel building app, 100% done for you funnels, 100% done for you products, perfect for new and experienced marketers, 1,000 a day training included, 0 tech skills or experience required to make this work, make sales or we'll send you $75 in compensation, and it's 180-day money back guarantee. And I just want to kind of show you something about these sales pages just so you're a little bit more aware of what's going on here. So look at this sales page headline here, and this was the last product that they had called Auto Profit Sites, and look at the sales headline here. So basically this is just exactly the same page repeated over and over again. And the usual thing that they're doing these days is they're attaching some big marketers to this as if they are somehow attached to this product. And you're talking about Russell Brunson, Ryan Dice and Neil Patel, and they use funnels too, so this is going to be a great product. So guys, let's jump over to the actual members area itself and I'll show you around. So here's the actual dashboard. Now this is a cloud-based app, and all of these applications that they release are virtually the same. They've just maybe got 1 or 2 things additional. You've got the welcome video here. You've got a lot of stats about how many products and funnels have been built here. You have the tutorials here that are always quite clear actually. Glyn actually does do quite clear tutorials. Very, very simple to set up. A bit of an overview, how to create a product in here, how to create the actual ebook covers, how to edit your products, how to add the product to the system, connect a landing page, and these are the landing pages you'll see on all of their products to do with funnels. It's all the same thing. How to set up your funnel overall, how to connect your autoresponder, how to accept payment. You'll have to have a business account with PayPal to accept payment, and then it goes through their done for you campaigns, which are actually one of the upsells. So if I just show you the create product piece. So here we are in the create product section. Now I need to put some keywords in here. You have a choice of the place you want to go get these PLR articles, then you have some keywords. I'm going to say exact phrase, so it trims it down. I want this exactly in there, and I'll just go and get 10 articles for now. The idea is that you're actually creating your lead magnet here. So here we go. It's brought back some articles that I can go ahead and use. I would need to obviously read through these, make sure that they all make sense. And these are the various chapters of my ebook. So I would come through here and I would go through the chapters, and then I can create my ebook. I've no idea where that information's come from. I don't know whether they can or can't use it, but it's obviously just some cheap PLR that they've got. So I have my ebook here, so I give it a name, my cool ebook. I have an author, and then I can go ahead and create a cover image. So I'm going to use this one for now. Now there is a section in here that allows you to actually create ebook covers. Just a very simple editor that brings back some images and you can create them. But I'll link to that for now. No subheading, and go ahead and change some font here if I want to. I'll leave everything else, but there is a load of things I can actually do here as far as linking up various headers, and I can give them links if I want to. And then when I come down here, I can actually go ahead and order these particular articles. So if I come up here, just save the changes. So this is the ebook I generated. Not quite sure why it didn't bring back the images, but the idea is I could have put some images in here, and then there's my ebook. So it does give you an ebook, right? And it does allow you to create some form of lead magnet, although it is pretty cheap and not very nice to look at, but it does allow you to do that. So here's where your product shows up in the library. I have no idea why I didn't actually save that cover image, but you can tell it's all a little bit cheap, this application. It's not nice to use, but however, this is where your product that you just created. Now you can create as many products as you want using either an outside source or using their PLR, but essentially what you're trying to do is build funnels here. So if you come along and look at their particular funnels piece, you should have the ability to build funnels from either the products you've created in the system, or you can go ahead and create it from products you've got already done for you, which is the point of this product. So if I edit this funnel, I've got a couple of choices. I should be able to add my product into this funnel here. Again, it's not showing up there, so no idea as to why it's not showing up. Or I can come to the database and add one of their products. You can use any of these products which they're saying are being sold for, say, $27 here. So I can use this product, for instance, as one of my products. I can use any of them and just build up a funnel with these types of products. So the idea is that I would come along here and I would just choose, and there's that actual product. Again, look at this. It's just really cheap and nasty. It's not very nice. And you can build a sales page. You can build a squeeze page here. Again, if you had this attached to your autorespond, it would show up here. You can build a download page, and then once you go into the settings, you can add your PayPal buy button here. You can connect your autoresponder, and there's various other kind of settings you can do on here. But so I think my overall impression of this so far is that this is all just cheap, very clunky to use. From my perspective, this whole product again is just very, very low quality. And the big thing with this is when I come down to the traffic section, every single one of this vendor's products has got the exact same traffic system. And if you look at my review done less than a week ago on the Affiliate Traffic Lab, this first application just doesn't work. It's not working at all. It's still being sold. It's actually being given away for free on this one, but that's just to get your email address. It's not working at all. And again, for the viral news jacker, this is just a bit of spammy horrible software. And the rest of this just isn't worth anything. None of these traffic solutions are worth anything. So the big issue with this, as usual, is you're not going to get any traffic. Even if you spend hours and hours trying to build something within this application, you won't get any traffic over to your funnels. Because why would they bother coming over to here? What would attract them over to your funnel? Why would they bother downloading that very, very cheap lead magnet and then buying those really, really awful products? So I'm afraid, guys, I'm not impressed with this, and as far as I'm concerned, this isn't going to be worth your time. Pop back over to the sales page, and again, usual stuff. I did mention that obviously they're trying to compare this to something like ClickFunnels, which is completely different. All these sales pages are the same these days, almost to the point that the graphics are exactly the same. They're saying about how much it would cost to actually build your funnel. Now, this squeeze page that converts to visitors to opt-ins is $499. That's not the case, because you can get it done for much cheaper, if not free. In fact, if you look at something like GetResponse, which is one of the autoresponders you can connect to this, you can get all of these different pages in GetResponse. You can get a download page, you can get a squeeze page, you can get all the different pages you need in a funnel within that application, so you wouldn't even need something like this. Again, giveaway products that people would be interested in, $699. That's again not true, because it's just a bunch of very, very cheap PLR. A back-end product that people will buy, $1,299. And the sales page. Sales pages, in fairness, do cost a lot of money, which is probably why now a lot of these vendors are just cookie cutting the exact sales page. It doesn't matter what vendor there is at the moment. They all seem to be using this exact format. So they're obviously saving money on the sales pages. So here we go down to the guarantee, guys, 180-day money back guarantee apparently. And then if you look at the actual value of this, they're saying that it's the usual thing. They're saying this is probably around $20,000 worth of value along with the bonuses, and they're going to give it you for $17. So again, I'm hoping that most people watching this understand that this is just not true. Okay guys, I'll take you through the upgrades, and it's the same ones for every product. So the second number is always the downsell. Front end is $17. OTO 1, which is the unlimited version, is $67 down to $37. OTO 2 is 100% done for you, $97 down to $67. You can see here that the done for you aspects aren't really there because you have to build your own products. If you do go and get one of their products, it's not very good. So, you know, I wouldn't agree this is entirely done for you. OTO 3 is unlimited traffic, which is $147 down to $47. That's usually a pixel on their sales page. OTO 4 is 30k in 30 days version, $147 down to $47. OTO 5 is super affiliate version, which is $97 down to $37. The license rights on this is $147 down to $67, and you have an auto profit boost, which is $47 down to $37. So potentially you could spend close to $600 on this. So the pros, the software obviously works. It did produce something, although I haven't actually seen a full funnel from this. It was very, very clunky and very difficult to see what the full funnel would look like. So I wouldn't entirely trust it. The 180-day guarantee is obviously going to be good if they honor it. And the training's always fine. What's not so good is there's no traffic to this, guys, and you're not going to get traffic to these funnels unless you've got an existing traffic source. And if you have, then you probably don't need to use applications like this to create your funnels. The whole thing is hosted by them. These funnels are hosted on their platform, and I can show you just by looking at the review for the traffic product that I did 2 weeks ago that they do not support their software. After a few months, it just dies a death and it stops working, and they continue to sell it, but they don't support it. So you cannot buy something off these guys that's hosted by them because you can't trust them to actually go ahead and keep supporting that application. It creates very low quality products. The value claims are complete nonsense, and you haven't got a real business here. And if you're looking at products like this all the time, you've really got to step back and think about what you're actually trying to build online here. So guys, I'll give this a 3 out of 10 only because the software seems to work, although it's kind of a little bit of a ropey 3 out of 10 for this one. I do find the whole thing very low quality. Again, no traffic, no sales, and you don't need this. There's better page builders out there, and there's lots and lots of different ways to create lead magnets and then get affiliate products to promote. And I can show you this if you watch my next video. I'm going to show you quickly how to set up a funnel that allows you to do this. So guys, thanks for watching. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you really want to build a business online and you want to stop buying shiny objects like this that you're going to spend a lot of time on and really not make any kind of progress, then check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'm going to take you through a very, very honest method for building a long-term sustainable business online. If you've got any questions about that, feel free to contact me. My details are below in the description, and I'll take you through the whole thing. Until next time guys, take care.